So you're playing the guitar and you notice that strings keep buzzing while you're playing. Perhaps a finger is getting over and touching one of the other strings, and instead of getting a nice even sound like you would like to hear, you're getting and only a few strings are actually making the proper noise that you want. Well, let's take a look at that, shall we? This can help you with buzzing on your guitar. One thing we want to do is we want to make sure that our fingers come up, over, and down on the strings. I don't want to lock my hand into place to where I'm reaching across the strings like this and I'm trying to get them. No, let's drop this wrist down some and allow our fingers some room to breathe up there. There are chords like the C chord where I can bring that up higher, but still I'm able to get up and over the strings and then down with my fingers. We want those going directly down on the strings because then I don't have to worry about them running into the other strings. Now there are bar chords and stuff like that where you will have to get all the way across that string and you want those fingers flattening out. But when we're playing a C, D, notice it's still the same. My fingers come up and over the fretboard and then down. There we go, down on the strings. Same thing with the G, A minor, E, same thing. My fingers are coming up and over and they're dropping down on the strings. One way we do that is we allow that wrist to drop down. My wrist drops and now my fingers can come up and over. Not too far because now I'm shooting past the strings. I want them to be nice and easy like that. Up and over, directly down. Another thing I notice is that when people are getting some buzzing from the fretboard, one thing they'll do is they'll be trying to push down too hard. They need to at the beginning because of calluses, but what happens is if I push down too hard, my finger flattens out more, and I will actually, if I go down too hard, I bump into other strings as well. So what I want to do is I want to relax my fingers, work on those calluses, and I want to come up and over the strings. Directly down. And then I get a better sound. If this helped you in any way, like and subscribe. If it didn't, please don't. I don't want to waste your time. You have a good one and we'll talk next time.